Hi, my name is Jared. I'm the Evoke product manager for Surge with Metropolitan Hardwood Floors.
Coastal is our newest 8mm waterproof wood composite core collection from Surge. Our entire Surge collection feature innovative construction using 90% wood-based material harvested from sustainably managed forests.
Before you get started, make sure to think about things like underlayment, tapping blocks, and hammers.
Install Coastal over a pre-approved underlayment similar to our Pro Series Comfort Plus 17 or Pro Series Comfort Plus 30.
Other products that you're going to need are a tapping block and a recoilless sand-filled hammer. A product that you don't want to use is a rubber mallet.
For your first row, the end joints will lock together using the angle-in installation method. To ensure joints are fully engaged, use a tapping block and dead blow hammer as shown. For subsequent rows, the product simply engages into the long side and drops into place using our patented one-click-to-go pure drop lock installation. Again, use our tapping block and dead blow hammer to engage the end joints.
Hopefully that helps. For more information, you can visit evokeflooring.com, visit your local dealer, or call our customer service telephone number.